Hi everyone, welcome back to Works Garage. In today's video, I will be walking you through the installation of ARP extended 3-inch wheel studs on the front of your BRZ GR86 FRS platform. As you may know, and you may be here because of the same issue I had, they're very brittle. I started getting white rings around the wheel stud. This is a very simple process. Let's get this started. Once you have your car lifted in the air with a jack and jack stands or lift, you'll need to remove the wheels. We're going to remove this brake line here from the side of the strut here that holds it on with a 12 millimeter. We're going to remove the caliper with a 19. Now I do have the Brembo brake package here, so it may be slightly different steps to get your caliper and rotor off. So as you can see here, I turned the wheel so I could get to the bolts a little easier. Again, you're going to need something to set your caliper on when you get it off. Oh, that's kind of different. Guess it kind of C-clamps it in, huh? Or U-clamps, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, dokie. We've got the caliper off. Looks like the rotor will just not come off freely, so we're going to need to tighten it down using our 12 millimeter that we had holding our thing on the back. Our brake line, I mean. There we go. Put this out of the way, this heavy boy. Wonder what some lightweight ones would be like. As you can probably see, we only have like 1,200 miles on this, 1,300 miles, somewhere around there. Look, corroded already. Now we're going to use this ball joint tool here. Please use my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. So you're going to take this finger here, put it on the back side. Well, you're going to open it up first. This is a very easy process here. It's a 21 on the back here. As you can see, it's very simple when you have this ball joint tool versus a hammer, having to beat them out. Now that I've pressed out all of the wheel studs, you'll take your longer wheel stud, you'll turn this around at about 10 o'clock area, it'll go straight in. You'll take your little tool here that has a little bearing in it that'll pivot, and your lug nut. Just make sure you get it in all the way and don't see any of the little teeth on the back side. And when putting this bracket back on here for the caliper, it goes like this. And it appears to be on the GR86. It's 88 foot-pounds. If you had a BRZ, it is a different foot-pound. I will put that below here in the video. It's very hard to get your 19 on these bolts here, especially, well, the top one here. You'll need to turn your steering wheel all the way on the driver's side, all the way towards the driver's side, to get this out here to where you can do a couple longer extensions here. And again, just like in my rear installation video, I'm going with the Muteki extended lugs. Does make the wheel a little easier to put on with the extended lugs. And it'll be the same steps for the other side. Guys, I know this was a very short video compared to some of my other videos I've done. It's very simple and brief and to the point. I do recommend this. It's needed, like I've said, because they're very brittle. I would like to thank you for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, treat others how you would want to be treated. Have a good week.